Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Epic Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. Today we will move to discuss about divisibility test of 12 and 18. Which numbers are divisible by 12? Which numbers are divisible by 18? How can we identify easily? Okay. Consider divisibility by 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. Any number is divisible by 3 and 4. That number is also divisible by 12. Okay. Consider a number 36 is there, 60 is there, 12 is there. Consider these three. These three are divisible by both 3 and 4. Okay. See. 3 12 is 36. 3 20 is 60. 3 4 is 12. So these three are divisible by 3. That type 4. Consider 4. 4 9 is 36. 4 1 is 40. 20 is there. 4 4 is 20. So 4 14 is 60. And 4 3 is 12. So these three numbers are divisible by both 3 and 4. So these three numbers also divisible by 12. This type we easily understood which number is divisible by 12 or not. Okay. Consider divisibility by 18. Which number divisible by 18? A number satisfying the divisibility test of 9 is divisible by 18. What says divisibility test for 9? See, sum of all numbers is multiple of 9. So it is also divisible by 9. So sum of all digits is multiple of 9. It is divisible by 9, also divisible by 18. See, consider example first. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 is a multiple of 9. So 54 is also divisible by 9 and also divisible by 18. Easily, how can we trace this one? Which numbers are divisible by 9? That numbers also divisible by 18. Okay. Consider another example. 7 plus 2 is 9. It is divisible by 9. Also divisible by 18. This type we easily understood. We easily identify which number is divisible by 18 or not. Understood? Thank you.